Rekha Gupta was sworn in as Delhi's Chief Minister on Thursday afternoon at a grand ceremony held at Ramlila Maidan. Along with Ms. Gupta, 6 cabinet ministers also took oath. Parvesh Verma, Kapil Majinder Sirsa, Ashish Shud, Pankaj Kumar Singh and Ravinder Indraj Singh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP President JP Nadda graced the stage, and Union Minister Rajnath Singh and Hardeep Singh Puri, as well as state chief ministers from certain BJP-ruled states such as Andhra Pradesh's N. Chandrababu Naidu were also present. As BJP ministers and chief minister officially took oath in the national capital today, the choice of speaker could have the Aam Aadmi Party worried. 10 years ago, BJP's Vijender Gupta was ushered out of Delhi Assembly in what can only be called as thrown out, quite literally. Visuals from the assembly showed Mr. Gupta being lifted, shouting and twisting by half a dozen marshals. The BJP leader even held tightly onto the furniture, fighting and resisting all the way out to the exit. All the ruckus was over allegedly derogatory remarks by a party colleague O.P. Sharma against the then Aam Aadmi Party MLA Alka Lamba. Today, Mr. Gupta returns as the Speaker of the same assembly after the BJP scripted an impossible win in the 2025 Delhi election. He retained the Rohini seat he has had since 2015. However, even before the win and during the campaign phase, Mr. Gupta's party had raised the issue of alleged corruption by the Aam Aadmi Party, which could be proved via several reports. And after his win, he has promised that 14 pending reports by the Comptroller and Auditor General of India or CAG about the former Aam Aadmi Party government could be tabled in the House and made public. The reports, he claimed, would expose how the Aam Aadmi Party misled the people of Delhi with false promises while engaging in financial irregularities amounting to crores. Mr. Gupta also hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party, declaring the party had blocked BJP MLA's efforts to table these CAG reports during the previous regime. He was the leader of the opposition back then. After being appointed as the Speaker, he told PTI, and I quote, "I am thankful to the party for giving me this responsibility to be the Speaker of Delhi Assembly. I will fulfill my responsibility. I hope we will have a healthy discussion in the House." Sources earlier said he was on the shortlist for Chief Minister's post, something that eventually went to Rekha Gupta, a first-time MLA from Shalimar Bagh, who became the 4th BJP Chief Minister of Delhi and the 2nd woman from the party to hold that post. Ms. Gupta, the first-time MLA from Shalimar Bagh, told NDTV she had no expectations when she set out from her home to attend the legislators' meeting Wednesday evening that she would be chosen as the next Chief Minister. It was widely expected that her colleague, two-time former Lok Sabha MP Parvesh Verma, who beat Aam Aadmi Party boss Arvind Kejriwal for the New Delhi seat, would get the job.